Wix Website Design Ideas 2023 for you. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Wix is a popular website builder that allows you to create stunning websites without any coding experience. With its easy to use drag and drop interface, you can create a website that looks professional and showcase your brand in just a few clicks. If you're looking for some inspiration for your Wix website design, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we'll share some Wix website design ideas that you could use to create a website that stands out from the crowd. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how you should design your website, both aesthetically pleasing and functional. So let's get started. Now in this video, we're going to check out different websites that you wouldn't believe are created in Wix. I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you could use as a basis for your website designs, and we're going to explore each and every one and see what makes them different. As you can see here, this is our first website. This website is seasonsandcolor.com. This is a website that features a blog about kitchen design trends of 2023. As you can see here, it is a very simple design, very minimalistic, but it is very interactive and very informative. As you can see here on our homepage, we are able to see the title right away. We have the top 5 kitchen design trends of 2023 to let the viewers know what this website is about, directly to the point. There's also a description over here. You could click on read more, and by clicking this, we would be redirected to this page over here, their blog page, where we will be able to see information about the specific topic that they have. As you can see here, we have the heading, which is 50 plus ideas for kitchen designs. It is very important to have a lot of content for your blog so that your users or your viewers would have a lot of things to look into. Although having too much information is not good, having too little is not also desirable. So make sure that you are creating a blog with the content that is in between too much and too less, so that you have a good amount of information that people could enjoy reading through and look into. As you can see here, we have our first idea over here. They have a lot of information regarding the specific theme of kitchenware, regarding this specific theme of kitchen design. As you can see here, they also have images that you can see and look into, which is very good. It would be able to click on next over here, which would allow them to look into the next design, which is very good. You wouldn't want to have all 50 ideas in one page because it would be very long to scroll down into, and if people accidentally reset or refresh the page, they would need to navigate through the different ideas once again to look for the specific section that they were reading into earlier. As you can see here, you would be able to also see the recent post, and like informations like how many people have read the specific post. As you can see here, you can also see over here on the right side, as you can see, we have categories of what we would be able to see, which is very useful for navigation. As you can see here, we have kids, kitchen, lifestyle, living room, and it also has a very nice aesthetic style to it, and our eyes wouldn't hurt looking at this section over here. It is a very minimalistic page. As you can see, it is very well organized and easy to read. You can also go back to our home over here, and we also have this featured post over here like kitchen, cat Kidstone XDFS over here, outdoor kitchens, and Nina Campbell X Fired Earth. It is very important to have categories, and as you can notice, it is for bedroom, garden, and trending, so that people would be able to see and navigate through the different content of your websites with ease. Make sure that you are trying to put on top the content that you want people to see. Over here also, you would be able to see gallery walls, where they could check out the different gallery walls that they could use for their own homes. As you can see, there's also other sections over here like the styling page, the tips and trends on decorating over here. Over here below, we have the footer also. We have the socials. By clicking on the icons over here, we would be redirected to their Instagram platform and Pinterest platform. You could also see that we have do not sell my personal information section over here. And above here on our heading, we also have our about section. clicking on the About section, we would be able to see a very detailed information about the creator of this website and like this website in general. As you can see, there's also images, which is very good so that people won't get bored reading a plain text like this. It is important to have variation so that people won't hurt their eyes and feel bored to read your About section. There's also sections over here like different images that you could have, which is very good. There's also quotes that we have over here. You could also check out the contact, which is also very important so that you would be able to have contact with the website owner. You could also give them your name, email, subject, and message over here. Over on the blog section, like I said earlier, this is a very good section because I like the way they were able to put and create their website. As you can see here, there's also latest and different categories over here. Overall, as a blog website, this is a very good website to base out of on. And if you're trying to create a blog website in Wix, you could have this as one of your bases or one of your inspiration to create a very stunning design. As you can see, it is absolutely easy to navigate. If you want to check this page out, you could go to seasonsincolor.com over here. And now let's go to our next website. This is Chickpea. Website URL is ilovechickpea.ca. And as you can see here, this is about a food website. As you can see here, we have on our first section a very big digital art design of Chickpea. This is probably their logo or like their theme. And scrolling down, we would be able to see like quotes or information over here, different art style about this website or brand over here, which is also okay. You could also see the different awards they have over here. And over here below, we would be able to see information like their time and opening over here in this section, their address, their email, like reservations like Peak Online and Peak Inside. And scrolling up, we would be able to see here on the navigation bar, we could click on the About section. In this section, we would be able to see the story of Chickpea. This is very unique design compared to this one over here. It has its own design on displaying and presenting their About section. You could see that they have their own art style and the same background design as we saw earlier. Over here on the menu, you could choose from truck menu, restaurant menu, all day breakfast, drinks, desserts, kefir brew, just like that. And as you can see here, we have different images that we could check out. It is pretty unique compared to other food websites that I have checked out. And it is a good thing to have uniqueness and have differences to other websites. Some websites that are food-based are very visually pleasing and very easy to navigate, but usually the designs are overused and people are always using the same design. And as you can see here on our Chickpea website, they have a different way of approaching this website. As you can see, they have their own customized menu over here, like filled with drawings and easy to read information about their products, just like that. You can also check out other types of menu. And I really like that they have their own way of presenting their menus and their website. It's very different from the usual. As you can see here, you can see information like different photos and this very long list over here. You can also check out the catering service over here. When you click this, you would be able to see more information. We have an API over here where you would need to log in and create an account, where you would need to enter your information to check out the catering form over here. You could also click on press in this section, and in this section you would be able to see different posts about this page, like a blog. Similarly, by clicking this, we would be able to see like this blog section over here about this chef, just like that. And although there are some improvements that you could use here, what I'm trying to tell you that when creating a design, you should think about uniqueness and try and be like Chickpea, where they're presenting their information, their services in a very unique way. They're trying to use art style, their own way of presenting and appealing to the users, just like that. You can click on shop over here also, and you can check out information about their shop. There's gift cards over here, t-shirts, and it's very simple. It's not the best, but it is very simple, and that's what I like about this, their uniqueness and simpleness. So we're going to move on to our next website that is created by Wix, and over here we have Easy Wheels. In this This website is about selling designs for wheelchairs for different people. As you can see here on their homepage, you are already seeing an example of their product. Scrolling down, you will be able to see different designs that they have. As you can see here, we have Star Wars, we have this design over here, a very colorful design, and Disney theme over here. This website is partnered with Disney, and you could see that their different design is also Disney themed, just like that. And it's very direct to the point. You would be able to see their product, you would be able to see the different types. There's also shop now button on every section over here, so that no matter where you are on the page, you would be able to check out and start buying their product. As you can see here, there's also different photos, different models, which is very good. They are trying to show what it would look like on different things, just like this. They have different types of wheelchair, which shows that they are very flexible. It's very good that they are showing different types of photos, lots of different types of photos to show how their product is and to show how important it is. There's also their about section over here. Very simple. They also have a video section in this section. You could also check out their story, gift vouchers, join mailing list over here. We have quotes in this section, like from Vogue, Elle, Good Morning America, and TechCrunch over here. Scrolling down, you would be able to see more information about themselves. Now, when you click on store over here, you would be redirected to their store. As you can see here, it's very simple, very good. It's direct to the point. There's no unnecessary things on their store. It's just their product, and when you click on their product, you would be redirected to their product page, just like this, which is very common to other types of stores. But as you can see here, it's very simple. There's also community over here where we can see different reviews from different people that use their product. As you can see here, there are different models, different people who has been using their products and has been appreciating the product that they are selling. This is a very important section too, to add to your page, to have interaction with your buyers, your users of your websites, to have their insights, to have their reviews be displayed, to let others know their opinions about your own website. And the important things in this 3-page that I have showed you over here, on this page over here, we were able to see good progression with their page. In this page over here, we were able to see uniqueness on how they present themselves. And this page over here, you could see that they give importance to their buyers, which is very important. So you could use any of this designs or website as your basis for your websites, and you could put together the important sections that we have talked about on each website over here into your website to have a very amazing website and unique website that you could give to the internet. That's it, guys. If you want to check out more designs, you can simply go to Google over here and search in best website created with Wix, and you would be able to see a lot of websites that has a lot of lists of different websites that you could check out over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.